Hey everybody, it's Racer PS2 electronics repair here. I got another one off of eBay here. We're gonna go ahead and troubleshoot this one together. It looks like all the listings said it does not work. Well, we got power, so that's good. I'll go ahead and turn the TV on. Turn on, see if we got video. Got video, so that's good. Let's go ahead and pop a disc in it. Yeah, the tray looks kind of nasty. I have not fumbled with this one yet. This is another 39001. That's all I can find right now that are in decent shape. Let's see if it gives us a disc read error. Nope, it says PlayStation disc. Hit the PlayStation 2 logo. This may be a short video. That's not good. A little buzzing noise in there. Seems to be reading okay so far. This video is brought to you by nobody. Yeah. A lot of people sell it to corporate sponsors. I don't get that pleasure yet. Sorry about the camera. Looks like it's reading and tracking okay. Let's see if it'll go in a game here. Tenant, don't care. So this is a time-tested method I use. I'm not going to sell a crappy product, and I'm not going to give out a crappy product. So if this needs nothing, it's not getting anything. This one is actually sealed, actually. That drive sounds a little weird, but I said all the listing said is it did not work. I don't know why yet. Clean the fucking screen again. Oh, win a game. I said this may be a short video. We have a fully functional PlayStation 2 and the gentleman didn't even know it. Can we move?
Commander, you must look.
We can move. Do we have rumble? Rumbles. So let's Let's reset. Go ahead and play a PlayStation disc. Good old Ridge Racer. See if she reads a PlayStation disc. It's taking a little bit. I don't really like that, but oh, that's interesting. They even give me a reading disc on a PlayStation disc. Yeah, bad laser, guys. Sounds like it. I got lasers in stock if it's a 400C. There she goes. Disc read error. Let's see if it'll read a PlayStation CD ROM, but we're gonna have to swap laser on this one, guys. Kind of stinks because this one still has the warranty label on it. See if it'll read a Ford Racing 3 CD-ROM. Usually if it won't read a PlayStation disc, sorry about the camera, so it doesn't read a PlayStation disc, it ain't gonna read a CD-ROM either. Yeah, it says no data. Yep. And then you spin it up. Interesting. Try a laser in this one. If it's not the laser, then we got a bad board. And I have a board, so it's not like I don't. Well, I do have a board. So that means we got a bad Mechacon. Bad security chip. But like I said, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get this puppy apart and we'll swap lasers quick and see if that's the issue. Be right back. Alright guys, we're back. I'll show you that this one has never been opened. As far as I know, it hasn't been opened. Come on, focus. There's the serial number. There's your model number. So you use serial code, so hopefully, I have a laser for this. Yeah, I will get this apart and be right back. Bump, bump, bump. 400R. Bump, bump, bump. I don't have any of these. No, I don't. You can try cleaning it and see what happens, but bump, bump, bump. I don't have one. That means this is a 400R laser. I mean, I do have a 400C board I can swap it with, but we can try to clean it and see what happens, but it looks like I need to buy a 400R. Hate when that happens. Like I said, you play Russian roulette with these guys. I told you I could swap the board and rate 400R on it, but yeah. Yes, you can swap a 400C laser board in here, but I'm gonna try to clean this one. We'll be right back. We have success. Let's see if it reads on the TV. Like I said, these HDRs, 7s, you will get lucky. But disclaimer, if you clean them, you may get lucky, you may not. These are a hard laser to find and a big pain in the ass. I use Windex, which has got ammonia in it, a soaked Q-tip with ammonia in it, and then I wipe it off with the clean side. Apparently this one's working. We'll see if it's working on the television to confirm. We'll be right back. This one was already reading DVDs. Like I said, these are HD7s, which are a very rare frickin' Sanyo laser, which are a pain to find. And if you do, they're very expensive. I'll be right back. Alright, we're back, folks. Like I said, it's called a HD7. Load it right up. Awesome. Yeah, the CD-ROM lens is on these OWL lasers, even a 400C. They're underneath the DVD. Looks like it's working fine now. I will find a laser for this. And then I will show you how to swap it in a future video. But for right now, we're gonna let sleeping dogs lie on this one, guys. These ones, I sell them for more, actually. Yeah, these are rare and they're progressive scans, so. Yeah, I wouldn't even spin up the CDs, so. That's an indication of a bad laser too. It's not the board, apparently, thank God. Because finding an HD7 board is like trying to find a needle in a haystack. You won't ever find one. I usually unload these. Use them for parts and unload the board. Because somebody will buy the board for a premium price. They think their board's bad and it's not the board.
Welcome to Ford Racing 3.
I'll just do a single player.
Single player. Ford Cup. Movie car chases.
See if it goes in the game now. This one is very dusty. I'll clean it off camera. Because when I find a laser for it, I'll definitely clean this one out. Disk drives it was caked in dust. I guess I said it did not work, and they didn't specify, so. I do have 400Cs in stock, but it's not a 400C apparently.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, she's rumbling, folks. Seems to be working okay now. Yeah, sometimes you can get away with cleaning your lasers, but I don't recommend it. I only do it on the HD7s because they're hard to find. And they're considered a 400R. This one has a 400R. So I'm going to have to find a 400R. And trust me, they're not cheap. They're about $40 a piece. So, yeah. This one would be a 400R model, so I would I'd sell it for more. Enough of that mess. Let's reset. Let's see if she plays a PlayStation disc now. That's why I said every time you get one that doesn't work on eBay, it's a crapshoot. More common as a 400C, but that doesn't mean you're gonna get one. Seems to be working better too after I cleaned the bottom part of that lens too. It was pretty filthy. Yep, running right up. So we got a good working board here. I'm gonna put Solcom back in here, make sure she works for everybody to know. So, like I said, this one has a 400R laser. We will get back to this one because I have to find one. They're not readily available, I'll tell you that. And if I find one, they're about $45, $50. I'll mark this with something saying 400R needs laser. And we will have another video on this one as soon as I find the laser. I said it seems to be working okay now after I cleaned it, but anyway. Like I said, the listing just said it didn't work. It works. It just didn't read CDs and didn't read PlayStation discs and CD-ROMs. It's a classic on these. It's a laser problem, as you can tell. She is not working fantastic after I cleaned them.
Racers, start your engines and
When you do these, you have to take the cap off. You have to take that plastic piece off. You got to get underneath of them.
3, 2.
You got to clean the eye of the laser for the CD-ROM if you're having that problem. But I don't recommend screwing with the pots. I don't recommend any of that stuff. You can try to clean your laser from sitting somewhere for a long time, but I don't recommend doing it. I'd recommend replacing it. It's more easier, it's more faster. You can keep that for a spare if you want to. But anyways, enough of that. Go ahead and reset. Apparently I put the thing back on right because I don't hear any scraping noises on my discs, and they're a little dusty, but they're just fine. And put Solcom back in here. Make sure she reads like she's supposed to. Tear with the camera. Yep. Said sometimes the laser cleaning will get you a long way on these 400Rs. Not always. See if she loads any faster. Like I said, I don't carry these lasers in stock because I normally don't get them. This one has one, so we're gonna have to get one. So I will get one because that's considered progressive scan. It's a Sanyo laser. It's not Sony's laser. Yes, there's a thing called CD lens changer, but you have, and you can use it with free McBoot, but you have more big chance of bricking your board. That's why I don't do it. Like I said, I have a 31 sitting over there with a 400C laser. This is a candidate for a board swap. I'm just not going to do it. I'll buy the laser. I'd rather use that for something else. So I guarantee you I pull this out, I pull that apart, and I'll show you that it's a way different part number for a 400R than it is a 400C. It should be a -41 or a -51. But anyhow, make sure she goes into game, and then I'll put a DVD in it, and I'll leave it with that. Please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. I'll put a regular DVD in here too. It won't be Mario Brothers though.
Special Operations Command.
Probably look at the turtles. Should probably grab that, huh? Is that another PlayStation 2 safe from the grave as soon as I get the laser in? If I do put a 400C in here, I'm not going to waste one, because what it does is it tracks really bad and then it fries the diode on the laser. It puts too much voltage to the laser and then it kills it.
Team, it's vital
That seems to make it's okay, so
Commander, you
I might keep this one for my personal collection.
Alright, team, you heard the lady. Let's lock it up and get
I doubt it. I'll just...
Let's not forget that intel suggests there are multiple patrols along the main roadways. We should stick to cover to avoid alerting them to our...
when heading to the rendezvous point.
Anyway. Go ahead and reset. Go ahead and grab the Ninja Turtles. We'll see if she reads a DVD. Oh, and then I'll leave you with that, guys. Like I said, I try to make these videos short and sweet and to the point. If you want a 400R laser cleaning video, I can get you one. But I usually clean those off camera because they're a pain. Alright, like I told you, I replace these lasers for longevity purposes. Let's see, decisions. Let's go to Season 5, Disc 13. If it wants to play nice and come out. Yeah, that's my personal PlayStation 2. I use it all the time. I even have 3 McBoot and a hard drive in it. You get the best of both worlds right here, boys. She's working. Like I said, like and subscribe. I'll get more videos coming. That 2DS should be coming back from Nintendo this week. I'll do a comparison video between my repair and theirs, and you'll see some big differences, trust me. Right now it is $65 to send those to Nintendo right now. It's about $81 with them shipping it there and back, which is nice. And you're paying, they'll pay to take it there, and they'll pay to ship it back out. It's like $10 for shipping. I'll just grab a random episode here. Let's play that one. And there you have it, folks. Our PS2 working. We'll get the laser, and I'll do a Part 2 on the laser swap. Like I said, it's a HDR7, so HD7, that's what they call them. They're Sanyo lasers. And so they call it the rare Sanyo laser. They're rare in the United States, I'll tell you that. But bye-bye for now, and I'll look up a laser for it, and we'll get her fixed. But she's working for now. I'll leave it at that. Thanks, guys.